I failed harder at the bench press today than I have in a very long time. So I have been cutting for a couple months now, and with that, strength is bound to drop a little bit. And for me, I was eating so unhealthy, but I was eating at abundance before, and I was just trying to get strong, and I had no care for my body fat percent, and I was just kind of a little powerhouse, and I was lifting really crazy. Then I took some time off a little bit because I was lazy and I just had mental issues, I guess. Why else would you just stop working out? So by the time I got back to it about a couple months ago, I started cutting. I was just in the mindset where I just really felt in control of losing the weight and lightening my body and just thinning out and just keeping things nice and fresh, so to speak. So I have been working a different way, and I have had lifting heavy as a practice instead of a goal. Meaning is I was or am lifting to maintain, not to build. However, I'm at the gym today and some dude's just hogging this bench, like the one only inclined bench, and I have to do these things that I really wanted to do. And he was doing it. I did 3 exercises, and the dude was just still there on the phone. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let it go. Whatever, maybe he's slow or something. I have no idea. Anyways, so I go to the bench press, and I look at my old numbers because I haven't done it in a while. I've been doing like dumbbells or inclines or whatever dips. So I'm rewording this. I went to the bench and I put on my weight that I thought I could do, which the number said I should be able to do. And I go and I like feel a little weird about it. I knew something was going on, and I pressed once, twice, kinda, and then I was almost doing third, and I failed, and it started to crush my chest. And it was like, I don't know, 225 or something. And I saw somebody come over and help me, and I was like, oh wow, I really had I had no idea where I was at all. And it was kind of embarrassing at first. I've seen the guy before, so I kind of immediately was like, oh, well, he doesn't care. And I was like, oh, I failed. I'm embarrassed, all that junk. But then I kept going. I dropped the weight, and I just kept going. I was like, oh, no, actually, I'm not going to let this stop me. So I guess this is a long-winded story to a point, which is I failed. And so all my progress was like kind of cut to zero, at least mentally for me for today. Yes, I had some positive outcomes and thoughts of it. And you could even almost say that a lot of this was just ego-based. But the fact of the matter is I went to do something. I thought I could do it. Numbers said I should be able to do it, but I didn't. I failed. And I still think that that's okay. And that's the point, because even though it was a 0 today, 0 is worth more than nothing. The fact that I was there and I tried it and I failed is huge. That accounts for a lot. So next time you're not feeling like something or you fail at something, realize that trying and doing that is what you want to be doing. It doesn't matter. Forget the goal. Just the fact that you're doing things is really where the joy comes from. And then I kind of got in a good mood, and I was like, yeah, because even if I'm going slow, I'm still going. And that's what I want to do. I want to be training. I want to be improving. That's the point. It's not to be able to bench a certain number. So my positive thinking for me is, yeah, I failed. Good. Because that was fun. Okay, till next time. Over.